When solving quadratic functions, you want to be sure that you know exactly what to do and in what order. So after copying down my equation accurately, I'm going to write out the first 3 steps which will guide me through the process. Number 1. Set y to 0. This is done because you're trying to find the x-intercepts, which is where a graph crosses the x-axis. On the x-axis, you've not moved up or down, therefore your y value, which represents vertical movement, should be 0 because there is no vertical movement. Number 2. Now you are going to use PEMDAS in the opposite order because you are doing the opposite of the norm. Usually you are finding the y value after you input x, but this time you know what the y value is, 0, and do not know the x. So the reverse of the norm means the reverse of the order. SADMEP, or SADMEP, subtraction, addition, division, multiplication, exponents, parentheses, is the order of operations for finding x when you know y. 3. As it was stated, since you are doing the opposite of the norm, you are going to also use the opposite operation to solve for x. Additionally, many people may say, get x by itself, but some folks may understand it better by saying, start from the outside of the equation where y is located, working your way towards the inside where x is located. 4. When you take the square root of a square, or take the absolute value of a number, the result is always positive, regardless to whether the initial number is positive or negative. Remember that a negative times a negative is always a positive. With either positive or negative numbers working, now you know why there are 2 roots for both quadratic and absolute value functions. When checking functions, have a clear understanding of how you are going to approach the equation. 1. This time you are solving for y and you know your x variable, so use one of your roots to substitute for x. 2. You are finding y now again, so PEMDAS is in the regular order. 3. Since you are going in the natural order of things, then you need to use the operation listed or given instead of the opposite operation. Additionally, you are working now from the inside where x is located to the outside where y is located.